At this point, I feel like I should literally be a spokesperson for Goyard. I should be like a Goyard brand representative, brand ambassador, Goyard brand ambassador, a Goyard guy, Goyard Gestad, Gestad guy, Goyard guy. What's it? Like the amount of business I think I have gotten them, amount of business I know I've gotten them, plus the amount of business I assume that I'm getting them. Not only do I always tell people to buy from the boutique and not secondhand, I explain how to do it. I explain the pricing. I do demystify it a bit, but I demystify it so that people will go buy it. But then I think also part of it is that they don't want that many people to buy it. They want to keep it exclusive and whatever. I don't know. Anyway, today we're talking a little Goyard. But at this point, I think I don't know what to do. Literally, so many people ask me for Goyard bags. I get them. I'm helping people now. I'm like, I should get a cut. I should get a commission. Goyard, I should get a commission. Goyard, I should get a commission. Goyard, I should get a commission. I don't know. I mean, they don't even... I don't think I'm ever going to be in good standing with them ever again. I think that I'm done. I think I'm done with Goyard, which means I don't know how to get out of it. I feel like I'm helping promote the brand. I feel like I'm giving them all the info. I reply to people's TikToks, to people's YouTubes. I reply to YouTubes. I reply to TikTok questions, like pricing. I reply to Instagram. I help. Goyard guy. Goyard groupie. Goyard gang. Goyard guy. Goyard groupie. Or something else I was going to say. Anyway, so... today I'm just going to talk a little bit about my Goyard right now, what's going on, and while I unbox another Goyard bag of that. Because you know me in this channel, I love to unbox Goyard bag. This one's DHL, so obviously coming from Europe, from Goyard from Europe. So I'm just going to unbox the bag. Every time, it's like a bag a week now. I keep doing it, I keep getting I keep getting them and unboxing them on this channel to help grow the channel, but I'm going to do a Goyard giveaway. I talked about that already. But at this point, it's I feel like I literally am like a middleman. So anyway, we'll unbox it. It's nothing, it's literally not changing the wheel. It's one that I've already unboxed before. It's one that I have multiple of, but people that ask me and I help them get the bags want the same two basic things. A Saint Louis in black, a Saint Louis in black and tan, a Saint Louis in black, an Artois. Maybe, sometimes a gray. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, chic shittin', and a Goyard geek, Goyard guy, Goyard girl, Goyard gay. Where my Goyard gang at? So, got another bag from Goyard from abroad, DHL. It's got all these security checks and stuff and customs and things like that. So today I'm gonna unbox it and just talk about Goyard. So look, I feel like they are still trying to be so exclusive and they are still trying to keep this mystery and blah blah and keep it for the upper echelon people. But everybody knows what it is now. Everybody knows the pattern, everybody knows the brands, everybody knows the designs, everybody knows you. Do the e-commerce thing. Go ahead, just do the e-commerce thing, or do the be public about your stuff and your prices. You're losing so much business to resale because people resell these bags for so high. Way more than they cost. Way more than they sell, sorry. Way more than retail. And retail is way more than they cost. Literally, it's crazy. Oh, I'll just say it again. Goyard bags cost about 25 euros to make, 85 euros to be sold from their factory to the boutique. They buy them, right, for 85 euros to cover the cost of making it plus the employee salary or whatever it is, the maker salary. 85 euros, the store purchased them at, and then they sell them for 13.50 euros in Paris right now for the PM, 16.20 for US. That is the price, everyone. Listen to me now. 13.50 euros for a Goyard bag. 16.20 USD plus tax. 17.73 if you're in California. 17.73 is how much you should pay for Goyard PM St. Louis tote. No more. Not 2,000. Not 2,500. Not 3,000. I mean, less if you want to get a used one, but the used ones are even still over 2,000. The Real has used ones for 2,000. Fashion File has them for 2,000. Really worn ones that hit the 1,900, 1,800, 1,700 mark. And then there are really, really bad ones, usually white, that end up being, that go under retail, which fine, but you're paying a premium on top of a premium. I don't. Anyway, this is how it comes packed. Yeah, this in the duffel, a green cloth, a yellow dust bag, and yellow things with this. Usually it's in a shopping bag. I had someone else buy this for me, obviously. That's why it said DHL. It's not coming from Goyard because my friend got it for me and shipped it to me. but I'm buying it for a friend. That's the problem. And also, if there's limitations of 5 bags. It's like, I get it, but like also like you only have so many stores, right? And only so many people can go and get it. So if you only have so many stores and people buy for other people, like let them buy for other people. They limit, and then on top of that, I do understand the resale thing, but then on top of that, they're so difficult about like responding to people and responding to emails. You can buy distance sales. They do have a distance sales department in Europe, they have a distance sale in the US. You can request it and they can ship it. It used to be $30 in the US to ship, now it's $60 to ship. You can call a boutique, any of the boutiques, and ask them to ship it to your location if you're not in the US. You don't have to actually go into a store. You can technically buy it via email, so online, and via phone. So, you know, not just going into a boutique. You have to get somebody on the phone, which they don't answer the phone that much anymore. They stopped answering the phone because people keep asking questions and give prices, and they are slow to respond to emails usually, but you can get it in an order. You have to have an account, or they create an account for you, your address, and your credit card has to match your address, and your credit card has to have your name on it, so it has to be you. Can't buy it for someone else. And if they have your account info, if they flag you, you're in trouble, blah, you can't get, like, once you're flagged, it's like very hard to get back. Maybe I'll do a succinct video about everything I go to Goyard, but $16.20 is how much you should pay. You can get it via distance sales and pay $60. You can get it via distance sales in Europe. You can get it calling and placing an order, having it shipped to you. Distance sales, you email on the website. There's an email you can go to. They take forever, but you can email them and ask them and you can get one. You can get it personalized. You can do the whole thing. Inventory, colors. You wait, place an order in advance. You can place an order for a color that you can't get in the store, or that's not there. If you go in the store and they don't have a color, you can place an order and they can ship it to you or ship it to the store once they get it. You place the order, you pay before, and then you get it later. Or you can place an order for a distance sale one, say you want that, and let them know when you want it. There are ways to get these bags. Also, I've been seeing all these videos and TikToks and YouTubes like lately about Goyard and like people talking about it, and like a lot of people don't like the brand. A lot of people think it's cheap, it looks tacky, it looks fake, it looks this, it looks that. It's easily copied. It's so easily copied. There's so many copies now, and the copies are getting really, really good. It's so easily faked, and it's so common now, and people think it's like whatever. That's their opinion. Teach their own, whatever. It is canvas. Yes, it's nice, good canvas, good quality canvas, but it is canvas. Louis Vuitton is also canvas. Most Louis Vuitton is also canvas. So like, no. Don't come for me with all those things. Okay, I don't know. What else do I gotta say? It's Goyard. Okay, I'm gonna just put up another camera so I can film this for TikTok. Okay, and yeah, so like people keep asking me to get them bags for them. So I do, because I'm nice. But I'm gonna stop. This is the last one. I can't keep doing this because it's like a hassle, and it, you know, it's not like I'm getting anything out of this. Okay, so here's another one. Another one of the same. Wow, whoa, so crazy. Oh my god, another Goyard mat. It does smell really good in here. I do love the smell. St. Louis Taupe, PM. Congratulations to whoever, yay for you, you got it. It is beaut. Gray is a really nice color. Okay, that's all. But seriously, if you guys have Goyard questions, like ask them to me. I will answer anything I can for a bit, and then I'm gonna be done. Okay. Yay! Maybe I'll do a video of all of these bags that I've gotten. No, I will not. Okay, that's not again. I'm just Goyard Gabbing. I'm getting tired. I'm gonna keep everything I have. I love everything I have. Yes, I think I'm done buying. I think I'm done buying, especially the same shit for other people. Buying the same bag. I'm done. I think I'm done Goyarding. I think I have everything I want, and anything I don't want, I need to take a break. I need to give up Goyard for a little bit. Give it up. It's too much. It's too much of a headache of a brand to deal with. It's too much of a headache, and it's too like mean girls, person, like picky, like you can't stand with us. First you're hot, and then you're not. First you're VIC, then you're not, and you're cold. Like this is how I feel today. We'll see how I feel tomorrow. This is how I feel right now. For right now, goodbye Goyard. Goodbye. We'll go into a longer depth video about why, but goodbye. Okay, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you. Bye.